with me. Anyone? Oh my god, it was the next song. That's sick. Nobody? No one?
You just go.
I think I know this.
With all of my regrets.
This is not a small cut, this scabs. Okay, you know what? Let me tell you a funny story. One time I was at my house, and I used to live in an apartment, right? And I was walking towards the door, and it's in like a really creepy kind of garage type thing. And I heard this, and there was no other noise, and I thought I was like a schizo. I'm like, shit,